If k is equal to 2 times 10 to the negative 2, then what does the expression 1 over k equal to? So, ang k daw, kay kana siya. So, what is 1 over k? Simply, 1 over k will then be simply 1 divided by 2 times 10 to the negative 2. But, I hope no nga, natay idea kung saan ng 2 times 10 to the negative 2, right? It simply means what? That is, kung nakay negative 2 ang imong decimal place naman diri sa 2 no, imo lang i-move kaduha. So be that. So 1, then another 1. Okay, so from here 1 to okay, 1 to ay diri day tama imong decimal place. So 0.02 kung baga. 1 divided by 0.02. Normally ang ginabuhat ani is kung mag-divide, imo siyang i-divide. So 1 divided by 0.02, and then normal ana nga kuan kung muna siya this the long way actually. So imong buhaton ana is kana siya imong ma-move og kaduha kay di makaganahan mag-divide og decimal. So kani po diri ang decimal place i-move nimo kaduha. So 1 2 1 2. Okay? So that's 100. Bali essentially what you're doing is 100 divided by 2. Okay, in that case the answer will be 5 here times 2 is 10. 0 will have it 50. So the answer must be 50. Okay? Or ang uban pod nga technique is gikan pa lang dian ni daan, di makaganahan na decimal sa denominator no. Multiply mo nag 100. Multiply mo 100 ang numerator, multiply mo 100 ang denominator para mo move ang decimal place. You will be having 100 divided by 2 and that's still 50. Okay? There are a lot of ways to do that, but this one, muna yung pinaka straightforward or pinaka supposed to be simple. And the answer of course here must be 50. Okay?